Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I have a new project with my Cricut. I am trying a new material to me, which is the printable vinyl. The idea being that you can print on this vinyl, use your Cricut to cut out different pieces, and then you've created your own vinyl pieces. And I'm planning on using this, giving it a try to create some vinyl stickers for the covers of my planners. So I will definitely link everything that I use down below if you're interested in checking it out. Otherwise, I will put you all on fast forward. Let's go. So the first thing that I want to do is to upload a new image to my Cricut file. So I'm going to pick upload image, browse, and I'm working with a set of printables from Shawna Clingerman in her Wholehearted Word course. And I'm wanting to isolate one of these images. So I'm going to press complex. I always press complex no matter what the image is. Press continue, and here you're left with the full printable. And this is where you erase everything that you don't want to keep. So if I just press that, then when I insert this image, it'll cut around all of these images individually, but I don't want all of those images. I only want this middle balloon right here. So what I'm going to do is click and erase all of the other parts of this printable because I'm wanting to just isolate that one image. And it's not so hard when you are using the big erase tool. Pretty easy to click all of these. You could also continue with that magic tool and just click each individual color. I just find that this is a little bit more thorough, and I'll show you how I double check that I got everything in just a moment. You want to make sure you get all of the little bits, not leaving anything left behind. Okay, I believe I have isolated that image, so then I press continue, and you can see when I come over here, there's a few little dots that did not get erased, and I don't want those there because I don't want those to cut into the image. So what I'm going to do, there's one right there. I'm going to click my erase tool again, make it super large, double check that I got those. I believe there was one on this side, although now I'm not seeing it, so we'll see if I grabbed it. Now we press continue. There are no other black marks or dark marks. I'm going to save it as a print then cut. And now I will have that image to choose from. So I'm going to insert a few different images here that I'm planning on printing on my vinyl. Okay, you can see a lot of different images. Let's do some resizing to get these exactly how we were wanting them. So this one, we are gonna size on down. This is my new logo right here. And we'll size that down to about 4 inches, somewhere in there. That will be nice. And then we have all of these sweet balloons in this jar of hearts that I'm wanting to add to my planner. So we're going to size those up. This one, about 2 inches wide. That'll be nice. I think all of them about 2. Let's see. Maybe changing up the size of the balloons so they can stagger a little bit. So that one will be a little bit bigger. Green one a little bit smaller, and we'll have that one be the biggest. All right, so I have all of them sized about where I want them. I'm going to click Make It, and you can see they're on a couple of different vinyl sheets right here. I wonder, I don't think it lets, oh, it does let you move a little bit. So I'm going to kind of rearrange these. Okay, I've played with the sizes because I wanted it all to fit on one sheet. Now I will get ready to make it. All right, so step one will be printing onto the vinyl. So it just sends it to your printer. I do want to use the system dialog box because I want to make sure my printer is set to its finest settings. And it is all set, so I'm going to press print. And it has brought that up. I just want to make sure that it is on color fine. And now I'll press print, and I've loaded my paper face down or printable side down because that's what works with my printer. So just make sure you put it the right way for your printer and print. All right, so now that it's printed, I want to set my base material. I'm going to search for vinyl and see if the printable vinyl is one of the options. So we look down here. Printable vinyl, yes. So we'll click that. I always click more pressure. It tells you exactly what tools should be in. So now we will head over to the maker and get it set to print. All right, so I take my image that I printed on, and I'm just going to line it up on my cutting mat right there and send it in to my Cricut. And we'll see how it does cutting. All right, and we're done. Let's see how the stickers turned out. All right, I have my planner covers here. Here are the stickers that I printed and then cut. And the idea behind using a vinyl sticker as opposed to just a paper sticker is that it would be more durable in the end, if that makes sense. So it's going to hold up to more and not necessarily be, I don't know, not necessarily tear, things like that. So let's try this one first. So I have my pretty pink one. We're going to scoot it over here. Let's layer on some of these balloons. I think we'll do the bigger balloon at the bottom. It comes off just fine right in here. Super cute. We'll layer these two as they go up. Perfect for Valentine's Day in the planner. And we'll put this one right here. I think that turned out super cute like that. So fun. And then we'll add this one back here. Just for fun little detail in your planner. I love that. Now this one, I wanted to go on the front of my work planner, but I don't really like that black line. I kind of thought it would cut on that black line. So I'm actually going to just use my scissors because I don't really like the line. I'm going to cut just to the inside to remove the black. Okay. So I have that all cut out. I feel like I left just little bits. Trim that off right there. Okay, and let's put the new logo right on the front of the planner. Maybe. There we go. pulling that off, and we will add that on. Right there. I'm not sure if I like it there. Okay, let's pull it off. Let's add it to the inside. Inside is full. Ah, right here. Perfect. Okay, new logo ready to go. So that is definitely a fun way to kind of create your own vinyl stickers. I will say it doesn't feel quite as durable as a regular vinyl sticker would be. The front, because it works with an inkjet printer, it still has a little bit of a papery feel. I know it's thicker than my regular sticker paper, so it'll hold up in that way, but maybe not the same quality as if you were working directly with vinyl. So something to consider, but still a fun project, a new product to try, new to me, and it allows me to use my Cricut in a fun new way. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. As always, I list all of the supplies in the description box down below if you are interested in checking those out. Otherwise, I hope you have a fabulous day, and as always, keep it creative.